lot of fears, obviously. I want to know more. So, who's going to start?
Devara is an action drama.
The crescent moon becomes a full moon with that.
We're like friends since ages. Yeah.
Ante, chal.
Very tough to write. Janvi's character actually.
इसका पूरा स्टोरी लाइन ही पूछ रहे हैं.
You remember any line?
I knew you'd ask me this.
What is the runtime of part 1?
See, Sandeep asking about that.
And how long was Animal, sir? 3:15?
3 hours 24. You're getting killed in the first part or you go to the second?
You know, that 35 days of underwater shoot is by far very complicated.
See, fear is always portrayed as a negative emotion.
There is a shark creation which we've done, and there's this mad interaction between the protagonist and the shark.
Devara is going to be a huge hit and everyone's going to be blown away.
There are certain action sequences of Devara which will just sweep you off your feet.